So the beginning of row 5 right side. Again, we finished using the CC1, and CC1 is the yarn that we are going to use to start working the right side. CC1 is the beginning of the right side. CC2, which is here where the color change marker is going to create the loop. It's the same all the time. By now you can begin to understand the thing here. So CC1 we're going to use. CC2 we want to create the loop, so we'll take it under and over. Remember, we want the ball of yarn to be outside the loop. Create the fold, bring the fold here next to the stitch, and we can begin to work this row. We are going to start with the make one left. So let's find a little bit of strand here and work our increase make one left. Pull the yarn tight, make sure you cut CC2 here. You have the loop, you have the ball of yarn here at the beginning, you have the loop to work the rest of the stitches. That's it. This is ready for the end of the row, and we can continue working with our CC1. We're going to work the stitches of the sleeve and make the next increase. Okay, so you work all the way to the marker, make your increase here, don't forget, for the sleeve. Slip the marker and work all the way to the color change marker. Let's meet here. We are at the color change marker. We are going to remove the marker, and we have our MC here waiting for us to begin the pattern after we are adding 4 stitches, 1, 2, 3, and 4 to the Intarsia CC part. We're going to place the marker on the right hand needle, and now we are going to use again the MC for the pattern. So we want to take the old yarn that we finished working with over the MC under, and it's going to wait for us here at the color change marker. We are going to take the MC. Make sure here you don't squeeze the stitches. You spread the stitches before you work the first stitch. And now we can continue, and for me it begins with the cable. No, this one is slipped. And just work the pattern. And we are going to meet again at the next color change marker just to finish this row, and we kind of understand the concept. So let's go ahead, work the pattern, work the sleeve, the pattern, and we will meet here at the color change marker to finish the row. We're at the 4 stitches before the color change marker. We need to take out the marker, place it on our right hand needle, and MC is going to remain here. We still need to, of course, make the twist, take the loop, the little loop of CC2. We're going to take MC yarn and bring it into the loop to the back. So what we need again is to have the MC over the working yarn of CC2. So when we work the next stitch, MC is going to be held in place. That's all we need to do. So don't be confused with the twisting and the direction. All you need is the yarn you want to catch be over your working yarn. That's all. So we are going to take the loop, CC2 loop, bring it all the way to the marker. I'm pulling it with my MC because the MC, I want it to be tight here. Make sure your stitches are spaced and you have a long strand here and it doesn't pull anything. And we can now work the 4 new stitches of the CC Intarsia part and all the rest of the stitches to the beginning of the round marker and pull. I have a little loop. I'm going to make it longer and bigger so my hand can fit in comfortably, and I'm going to work to the beginning of the round. When I reach the beginning of the round, all I need to do is take the ball of yarn and start pulling slowly just to close this loop, and don't leave a gap. Pull it all the way, bring the first and last stitches to be close together. This is the end of row 5, the right side. I think now you have everything you need to continue working the rest of the Intarsia. Actually, everything is written in the pattern. If you need to twist yarns, if you need to create a loop, so it is all written and now you know how to do it. And if you need a little reminder, then you can go and watch the tutorials again. It's the same for all the other rows. So depends on if you are working an MC row of the chart, a CC row of the chart, a wrong side or a right side. We went through all the possibilities. You can go back and watch the tutorials, and I think you are good to go from now on.